So I have here a Champion generator, and it's seen some hours. It runs concrete drills, and this is the first one I've had that has had this issue. It's backfiring out the carb and backfiring out the exhaust, and it doesn't want to run. And it only, when it does run, it'll only do it with a choke on. Let's try this. Sometimes it'll backfire at the carb, sometimes it'll backfire to the muffler. I have tried everything. I set the valves, clean the carb, change the gaskets in the carb. Basically, I even checked the fuel to make sure there was no water in it. And the best way I found to do that is put some in a clear bottle and look at the bottom, because the water will separate, and there's no water in there. So I checked the oil shut off. I was checking for spark, and the spark does not get sporadic. But I ended up unplugging it just to see what would happen. And it turns out it must wait till it's running before it starts getting sporadic, because when it's unplugged, still backfires. I think I might have unplugged the wrong wire. Where the hell did it go? Yeah, I unplugged the wrong wire. So there you have it. It's actually the oil pressure sensor acting up when it's running. So if you find this problem, before you tear the whole thing apart, unplug the oil pressure sensor and just see. Make sure you got oil in it. I've done that. It's actually changed it, and it was still doing it. So yeah, so just unplug that and see if it runs. And if it runs, I believe you have to take the whole motor apart to change that sensor. So that's up to you. But at least that'll stop you from tearing the motor down, trying to check for timing issues. I took the friggin' flywheel off looking for a sheared keyway. It took me forever. So anyways, I'm going to take it back apart and see why this is hitting. But other than that, there you go. Hopefully that helps somebody.